Namaste, it's me, Lokendra Saud, mathematics teacher. I want to welcome you all in my class. Welcome, children. And today I have brought the second class of this topic, square of binomials. In first class, I have taught you how the formula of a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, and a square plus b square are derived and how they are expressed in the figure, okay, in geometrically. It was taught in that class. And now how to use those derived formula of square of binomials in question. It will be taught here, okay? And that's why first of all I have listed here, okay? All those formula that I have taught in previous class, okay? And that is okay. This is the list of those formula. That's why I have written here. Learn this given formula before starting the exercise, okay? And formula number 1, okay, that's a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square, okay? And b number, a minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. And c number, a square plus b square equals to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. And d number, a square plus b square equals to a minus b whole square plus 2ab, okay? These four formulas were taught in previous, okay, class. You can watch that videos, okay? If you have any confusion, again you can, okay, revise in difficulties, okay? And today I am going to teach you how to use this formula to solve the questions related to square of binomials, okay? Now let's move to the next slide, okay? Okay, in second slide, look here. I have given the question. Observe one example and do other questions, okay? One example is provided and similar other questions is given there to practice, okay? And I think it will help you to practice. That's why one example is shown and similar other questions are also given to practice, okay? I hope you will do the practice of these given questions, okay? And look at first question. Question number A, find the square of the following binomials, okay? This is the first question and here is given binomial A number, look, 2a plus 3b, because there are two terms, this is binomial a plus 3b, okay? And we have to write solution and write here 2a plus 3b, right, and whole square, because we are going to find the square. Question is to find the square. That's why put this binomial and put them in bracket and write the square also, okay? Now, and we know the formula. First there will be a square. That's why in place of a, I repeat here, in place of a there is 2a, in place of b there is 3b, okay? That's why whenever you write a square, then we have to write the 2a whole square, okay? Put in bracket because there is square. This is the square of a also, 2 also. That's why don't forget to put this, okay, in bracket, okay? Then plus 2ab formula. In formula we have 2 into a into b. That's why write 2 into this dot is into, okay, this multiply sign, 2a into 3b plus 3b whole square, okay? This 3b also we have to put in bracket compulsorily. If you don't put bracket, that will be the square of only b. That's why it is very okay, important to use here bracket. Now when you remove this bracket, 2 square means 4 and a square means a square, okay? And now this multiply this 3, okay? 2 also multiply with 2a, multiply with 3b, okay? Then 2 to the 4, 4 3 is 12, ab will be the answer, okay? Then plus right here, 3 square means 9 and it is the square of b also. That's why there is b square. Like this we have to, okay, find out the square of binomials. Here is plus sign, that's what we used here, a square plus 2ab plus b square, okay? Like this we find the square of the binomials, okay? And similar question is given here. Look, here is 3a minus 4b, okay? Find out this square. okay, by using the formula of a minus b whole square. And here also 5x minus 7y, and here 3m minus this plus 5n, okay, this is also binomial, use your formula, okay, and 7x minus 4y. Look, like this example, you will solve this other questions, okay, b, c, d, e, you can solve them, okay. I hope you will do these questions also. These questions you can take as the assignment also, your homework also you can take, okay. And by looking this example, okay, you can solve this, you can find out, okay, you can simplify this other 4 questions. I hope you will do it. Similarly, now let's move to next page. Okay, in this page, look here, question number B. Question is asking us, look, express the following as a perfect square. Means this is just like reverse form of question number A, okay, that we found the square of the binomials, but here is square of the binomials is found and we have to convert it into perfect square. We have to convert into perfect square, okay. Okay, this is the expression given, okay. There are given 3 terms, okay. In this one, how to solve, okay. First of all, look here, 49x square and here 16y square. First thing that you have to understand, this first term and this last term will be given in square form, okay. That they will be the square. We can express them in square. 16 is the square of 4 and y is square, that it is the square of 5. And here is similarly 49 is the square of 7, you know, 7 7 is 49, and x square, this is the square of x only. That's why this first term and this last term, they can be expressed in the form of square, like this question is asked there, okay. Now look here, now first look here, this is the question, right? First solution, then write question, okay. Then first mention this one in square form. 49x square is the square of 7x square, okay. First write same, and then last also write this plus and write here 4y whole square, okay. 4y right, then whole square, okay. Then after at the middle we have to put the blank, okay, here. And after that, writing this square and this square, fill here now. 2 into a means 7x there, into b means there 4y. Here we are filling this 2 from formula, and this is 7x from this bracket one, first bracket, and this 4y from this last bracket one, this one, okay. It is in the form of b square, that's why. Now you can check it, look, this is a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. That's why this is the formula of a minus b whole square, okay. Then right here, a in place of a there is 7x, and here is minus 2ab, that's why it will be minus. If it is plus, then it will be also plus, okay. Then b in place of b, what is there? This b, this is the form of b, okay. Write here b, this 4y here, and put them in bracket and whole square. The question was given in 3 terms, okay. Now look, these 3 terms, okay, are okay expressed now in the form of whole square, look, square form. That is in the form of a minus b whole square, because it is a square minus 2ab plus b square. That's why it will be a minus b whole square, okay. Similarly, you have to convert this b number, c number, d number, e number also in square form, okay, in perfect square form, just like this example, okay. This will be your assignment b, c, d, e, okay. You can solve them, you can simplify them, okay, like this example. I hope you will do it. I hope you have understood also, okay. In difficulties, you can ask me the question also. Okay, now let's move to the next slide. Okay, now here in this question, okay, in this question, this is simplify, okay. In this simplify, the expression, this no, all the terms, you know, these are given in the form of square only, okay. Look here, question simplify and a numbers here. It is a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square, okay. This a minus b whole square, then write it again. After writing solution, write the question again, okay. Then we know that a plus b whole square means a square plus 2ab plus b square, and put in bracket put in bracket. Why I am telling to put in bracket? Because if you keep the habit of putting this and opening them in, okay, after opening them, if you put in bracket, sometime what will be, no, here will be minus sign, and this plus sign, minus sign. If you don't put bracket, no, the sign will not be changed, okay, in this third step. But if you keep in bracket, it is plus sign, there will be no changes. But if here is minus sign, this minus sign will multiply with every sign, okay, which are in the bracket, this bracket one. With every sign it will be multiplied. That will multiply with the sign of a square also, that will multiply with the sign of 2ab also, that will multiply with the sign of b square also. That's why try to keep this all in bracket, okay. But here is plus sign, this plus sign does not changes, but if there is minus sign, it will change all the sign, okay, sign of all the terms which are kept inside the bracket, okay. And similarly now here, and when you remove this bracket, here is plus 2ab, here is minus 2ab. We know plus 2ab, this plus 2ab minus 2ab will cancel 0, 2ab minus 2ab 0, and a square and a square, what will be 2a square, and here is b square, and b square plus b square 2b square. It's the answer, okay. Like to, we have to do addition and subtraction according to their sign, okay. And similar questions are given here, okay. As I told you, here is minus sign, please when you remove this bracket, always keep in bracket, okay, this one. And this is also similar question, this is also similar question, okay, this is also similar question. Please, you can see the, solution of this example and follow that to simplify this B, C, D, and E number, okay. I hope you will do it. In difficulties, you can share your difficulties with me also, okay. Now let's move to the next slide. And in this, look here, this is D. In this D number, look here, in D number, finding the value, okay, finding the values here, okay. Look, what type of questions will be asked in this question? Look here, this is given values. Look, a number, look, if a plus b equals to 5, okay, and a into b, that's ab equals to 4 given, find the value of a square plus b square, okay. Here just I had told me at the beginning only, I had written there, I have written there some formulas. In those formulas there is formula of this a square plus b square also. Now we have to use that formula here, okay. Look, first of all, write solution and write the given values. A plus b is given here, and ab value is given there 4. Now it is asking to find the value of a square plus b square equals to what? And now we know the formula of a square plus b square, and I told, okay, in the previous that class one I had told, look, there were two formulas of a square plus b square, okay. But so here was, if here was minus, then here was plus. But if it is plus inside the bracket plus, this outside minus. And when should you use this formula? It depends on this given value. Okay, here look, a plus b value given. That's why here we are using the formula of a plus b. Okay, if this value, look, if this value is given a minus b, then here we have to use the formula of a minus b whole square. Then outside will be plus 2ab. Okay, that should be kept in mind. Okay, this is an important thing. This is a plus b whole square minus 2ab, okay. That's why a plus b value, what is given there? 5, okay. This 5, that's why right here in a plus b you have to write 5 square minus 2 into 4, because ab value is given there. Look, in question ab value is given there 4, that's why right here in place of ab 4, okay. Here then this is 5 square is 25, okay. This 25 minus 2 4 that is 8, and 25 minus 8 would be 17 here, okay, like this subtract, okay. And once I repeat here, if a square plus b square, if the question, in question, look here, in this question, if there is given plus value, use here plus and outside will be minus, okay. If here is given minus value, then write here minus 1 and then outside will be plus 1, okay, plus 2. Use that formula, okay. Similar questions are asked here, okay. We will solve this, okay. By similar process, you have to solve and find the values, okay. Now let's move to next slide. Okay, and in this one, I have given some of the hints, okay, that you might have, you may feel difficulty. That's why here some of the questions are solved, okay. and it should help you, okay, for a study and for a revision, for a practice one. That's why some of the hints, okay, is given there. Some of the questions are solved here, okay. Look, that's the question number C, B, okay. In C number there is B1, and it was given 2x plus 3y whole square minus 2x minus 3y whole square, okay. And write the solution. After solution, write the same again question. And as I told you, if there's minus, please keep all the values, whatever you open, in bracket. I told you. Okay, that's why here is kept in curly bracket. Okay, this all the terms are kept in curly bracket. Here also all the terms are kept in curly bracket. Look, this is in the form of a plus b whole square. That's why in place of a there is 2x, in place of b there is 3y, and we are writing here in bracket. Okay, curly bracket, after then small bracket, a square plus 2ab plus b square, and curly bracket close, and write this minus sign, because this minus sign later it will multiply with all the terms of that bracket, okay, which are kept in the bracket. That's why here all the terms are kept in bracket. Look, write a square. Here is a means 2x, b means 3y, a square minus 2, formula 2 into this dot is into 2 into 2x, 2x is a, and into 3y, 3y is in place of b, plus b square. This is b square means this is in place of b there is 3y, okay. Write a b square and close this curly bracket, okay. And now if you open this one, 2x square, it will be 4x square plus, okay, this plus sign, 2 to the 4, 4 is over 12, 12xy, and here's plus, right, plus, and 3y whole square is means 9y square. Now here also minus, right, minus, okay, write all these terms in small bracket. It will be 4x square minus 12xy plus 9y square, okay, like this 9y square, right? Write all these terms here, okay, then minus, as I told you, here is the value of this bracket, okay. That's why I have shown this as hint, okay. This sign will multiply with this each term of this bracket, okay. That's why minus into plus, this is minus 4x square. Now minus into minus, this is plus 12xy, then minus into this one plus is a minus, okay, 9y square, like this one. Here look, 4x square minus 4x square 0, and here is 9y square, here is 9y square, it is also 0, and here is left now 12xy left, here is plus 12xy, here is also plus 12xy, and 12xy and 12xy, these two terms are like terms, they are remaining one. That's why, so we add them, okay, they are added, okay. These two terms are like term, that's why, so add. Here's given some hints, okay. Add these terms, and when you add this 12xy with 12xy, it will be 24xy, okay. That will be our answer. You can add answer, you can mention their answer also, because after this we cannot forward any step, okay. That is the answer, that is the meaning of the answer, okay. After that step we cannot forward even one step also. That's why it's the answer. Now let's move to next slide. Look, this is also the hint for you, okay. Hint for question number D, E, okay. And they were asked like this, D number E, if x minus 1 by x, this is okay, this is x minus 1 by x equals to 7, okay, then find the value of x square plus 1 by x square, this is okay, 1 divided by x square, 1 upon, okay, x square, and write a solution and write all this given value first. This side x minus 1 by x equals to 7, then write this one, x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 by x square equals to what, this we are going to find, okay. And now write there, okay, after now write this question, x square plus 1 by x square right there equals to, now this x square means what, right, in place bracket, okay, this x right in bracket, square become whole square, plus 1 by x square means 1 by whole x square, you can write this 1 by x put in bracket and whole square. That means I have shown it, this is in the form of a square, this is a square plus, and this is b square, a square plus b square become. Now as I told you, this is its formula depends on the given one. Look, here is minus, that's why you look, there is minus sign. Look, x minus 1 by x value given, that's why we use the formula minus here, x minus 1 by x whole square plus, if inside minus then outside will plus 2ab, okay, here minus, that's why here's plus, okay. There are two formulas of this a square minus b square, that's why here's minus, then here will be plus, and now here's x into 1 upon x, okay. This dot means multiply, okay. and this x, and look, this x and this x down one, this x and this x will be cancelled, x cancel with x. Okay, then what is remaining here? 2 ones are 2 only remaining. Okay, and it's x minus 1 by x value is given there 7. Here we can see here x minus 1 upon x is given 7 here. 7 is square right there, plus 2, and 7 is square means there 7 7 is 49, right? Plus this 2, right? 2 only. Okay, and 49 plus 2 you can write there 51. Like this we find the values. Okay, this is the value of x square plus 1 by x square. Okay, this is 51. 51 is the answer of this x square plus 1 by x square. Okay, today this much only. As I always tell you, practice. Okay, practice makes the student perfect in mathematics. Not only mathematics, it will make in every subject also. Practice needed. It is regularly practice. Okay, today this much only. Thank you very much. Have a good day.